Hey CodeNwire explorers, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today we are diving into a world of IoT with a Wi-Fi scanner using your NodeMCU. So in this tutorial we'll walk through a simple Wi-Fi scanner script that will allow you to scan Wi-Fi networks around you and some additional information such as signal strength, IP, MAC address and more. So without wasting further time, let's get started. This is the script I previously prepared. Don't worry, I will explain it every step. So I have connected my NodeMCU to this COM18 port and let's run it. If I show you, and started to upload the code. Now open serial monitor. So every 30 seconds it will search for networks around it and signal strength associated with that particular SSID. You can see that it able to find two SSID around it and their signal strength, and is connected, basically showing the state whether it is connected to any network or not. If it is connected to any network, then local IP will also show, and the MAC address is MAC address of this device, that is NodeMCU. So let's understand the code little bit. So basically we have included this ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h library, and in this library we have Wi-Fi class, and this scan network function basically scanning networks, the number of networks around it, and we are using this for loop to print all the scan networks around it. And this function like is connected basically returns boolean value whether it is connected to true or false. Local IP basically gives the local IP address, that is device self, when it is connected to any network, and MAC address, its MAC address, and gateway IP is basically the router or gateway it is connected to. So if we want to connect to any network, available networks, we need SSID and password. So I have commented out this SSID and password. Basically we have declared SSID and password as a constant character variable, and inside this Wi-Fi.begin we are passing that SSID and password. So in this while loop basically we are trying 20 attempts to connect to the network, and if it is able to successfully connect, then go for the next step, that is basically loop, also scanning the things and also printing additional information like whether it is connected or not, and the local IP, MAC address and gateway as well. So as of now it is not connected to any network, and let me upload this code and let's check then. So code is uploading now. So as you can see, and after uploading this code, it is showing it is connected, and it is also giving the IP address as well as gateway IP address. If I clear this result, basically every 30 seconds it will scan for networks around it and print details along with it. So we can do much more thing with using this ESP8266 Wi-Fi library. We can use this ESP8266 as a router. We can connect it to our local network and also able to create access WAN for it, because ESP8266 supports soft AP. That's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.